All right, well today we've got the big box from Blueprint. So let's start opening it up and see what we got in here. All right, let's do a quick walk around of this new LS style motor from Blueprint with the ZF HP70 transmission. So this comes with, you can see its own shifter. That's kind of the normal style for a ZF transmission, BMW style kind of shifter. Got to check on the drive shaft. It's going to need there's a special drive shaft that you need to get for these. You can see, kind of the wiring and the control modules down here. I got to sort through all that. Looks like there's a custom bell housing that has been created for this, so it matches right up to the LS with no adapter plate like you see in some of the other aftermarket adoptions. I assume this is something that ZF and Blueprint worked on together as they've been partnering on making this transmission combination work. So all looks like, all the fun wiring stuff of an LS, but now with the new, or new anyway to the aftermarket really, the ZF transmission. So should be a cool combination. See how it fits in the truck over here pretty soon. I've left all the sheet metals and everything off of the truck because I want to kind of fit it in place and figure out where I'm going to mount all the electronics before I start attaching everything over there. Anyway, pretty cool. We'll see what happens next.